let's get our packets out and we're going to go to minute 21. All right, minute 21. Here we go. Oh no, look at this calendar. It is missing some numbers. Let's write the numbers that are missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. What about this one? 16, 17, 18. Good work. 19, 20. Awesome. Okay, what is 6 plus 2? What is 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2. 8. Good job. Okay, this one's going to be super tricky. Look at this. It is 12 plus 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the number 12 and we're going to count up 2 more. So 12, what comes after 12? 13, 14. We can add like that, or we can add like this. What is 2 plus 2? It is 4. Well, what is 1? But there's nothing underneath 1. So 1 plus nothing. What is 1 plus nothing? It's just 1. So 12 plus 2 equals 14. Awesome. Oh, I keep moving this away from you guys. There we go. Let's try this. Okay, we need to circle the closed shape. Which of those shapes is closed? The triangle. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, there we go. It's hard. All right. Draw a closed shape. Yeah, you can draw anything. I think today I am going to draw. Ta-da! That's a silly shape. Circle the minute hand on the clock. Now, remember how when we did the money, it was just fun? Telling time is just fun too, but I'm going to, show you up here on my board, okay? So we have a clock. Remember our clock in our classroom? It's shaped like a circle, and there's numbers on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there's 2 arrows. Well, we call those hands. Not like these hands, but they're telling time hands. We have a minute hand and an hour hand. A minute hand and an hour hand. The minute hand is long and the hour hand is short. So if I were to draw a hand right here and a hand right here, which one is short? This one. You know what? What if I do it this way? I'm going to put them in colors so that you can see the difference. Okay? Here we go. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay. I'm going to do it this way. Oh, I just about did it the same color. I want you to tell me which hand is the minute hand. The red or the green? The minute hand. Whoops. The minute hand. Is the minute hand red or green? Red, because it's longer. All right, which one is the hour hand? The red or the green? Hour hand. The green. Awesome. Okay, and when the minute hand, this long one, is touching the 12, it says the funniest thing. It says, o'clock. O'clock. And then when the hour hand, it says the number. The number's name. So this is 9 o'clock. What about, whoops, I'm trying to, what about this one? What does this say? 1 o'clock. Okay, what about this one? 5 o'clock. Good job. What about this one? 8 o'clock. Very good. Okay, is this a minute hand or an hour hand? Minute hand. Good job. Is this a, whoa, that's a silly hand. Is this a minute hand or an hour hand? Hour hand. Now, are they hands like these hands? No, they're telling time hands. Silly, silly. So look at that clock. It wants you to circle the hand, the minute hand on the clock. So which one is the minute hand? Are we going to circle the one pointing to the 3 or the one pointing to the 12? To the 3 or the o'clock? The o'clock. The 12. Good. That was fantastic. Now remember, telling time, those ones are just fun. Just like the money. It's just for fun. Okay. Here we go. Let's look at number, there we go. Move you over. Let's look at number 8. What number does the hour hand point to? Can you see? What number does the hour hand point to? 3. So write a 3. Good job. Oh no, we're going to do some subtraction. And I'm going to do it up here on our board. All right, your students, your kindergartners, you're going to think I'm pretty crazy, huh? Because on Friday I used a face mask as an oven mitt, and now I'm using it as an eraser. Miss Dalton, you have lost your mind. Okay, so there is a number line on our math paper, and it wants us to do some subtraction. Remember how we did froggy hops? That's exactly what we're doing with this subtraction, okay? So it wants to know what 3 minus 1 is. So on your paper, I want you to put a little circle on the number 3. And we're going to do a froggy hop backwards. So we're not going to jump forward because that would be plus. We're going to jump backwards. And how many times are we going to jump back? 1. Bloop. What number did we land on? 2. 3. Take away 1, or 3 minus 1, is 2. Can you write that on your paper? Okay, let's do the next one. Okay. Oh, by the way, this fell on the floor, so I was going to throw it in the garbage anyways. That's why we're using it as an eraser. Silly Mrs. Dalton. Our next problem is 5 minus 1, or 5 subtract 1, 5 take away 1. Okay, let's find the number 5. Where's 5? Where's 5? There it is. Okay, are we hopping forward or jumping back? We're jumping back. How many times? 1. What number did we land on? 5, take away 1. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Wow, you guys are so good. Okay, but I also want you to write it on your number line. Let me hurry and do that so you can see what it looks like. Ta-da! Whoops. There we go. Ta-da! Awesome. Great work today. Math time. All right, get your packets out. We're going to go to minute number 22. Okay, just like yesterday, it is missing some numbers on the calendar. Oh, no. Let's figure that out. Whoops, not 21. There we go, 22. What comes before 2? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Okay, let's do number 2. It's a little trickier. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Yay! Good work. Okay, number 3. Let's do the math problems. Let's turn this up right over here. Here we go. Our first math problem is 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? I could use 3 fingers and 4 fingers and add them together. I could make 3 circles and 4 circles and add them together. What is 3 plus 4? 7! Good job! Okay, our next math problem is 11. There we go. 11 plus 2. Okay, here we go. We could count up, start at 11 and add 2 more. And I can also do it like this. What is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 3. Okay, what is this? 1 plus, wait a second, there's nothing there. There's nothing in there. So 1 plus nothing. 1. What's our answer? 11 plus 2 equals 13. Awesome. You guys are so good at this. Okay, remember the telling time, just like the money, is just for fun. We just love having fun with math. Okay. Okay, here we go. Remember, the long hand is the minute hand, and the short hand is the hour hand. It wants us to write the time. Now, remember how we said that that number 12, when the minute hand is touching it, it says that funny word, o'clock. Well, this is how we write it. Oh. We put 2 zeros. It's o'clock. Okay? Well, let's look at and the minute hand, or the hour hand. Let's see where it's pointing at. There we go. Whoop, that's kind of silly, Miss Scotland. That's not really pointing to anything. There we go. Okay. So this clock says it is 5 o'clock. And we write it like this. 5 o'clock. Do we put a 12 here? No! If the hour hand was pointing to it, then we would write 12. But when the minute hand is pointing to it, we put 0000, o'clock. All right. So go ahead and make sure you wrote 5 o'clock on there. What's the next one? Okay. Oh, I just lost my marker. Okay. The next one is pointing right here. Woohoo! Miss Dalton can't draw a straight line today for some reason. Okay, so what is the time? There we go. What's the time? First, we're going to write the hour hand. What is it? 7. Then what do? We write the minute hand. And what does the minute hand say? It is 7 o'clock. Good work. Write 7 o'clock. Awesome. You guys are so good. Yay. Okay. Next, we're going to do our number line. Okay, and we're going to do subtraction with our number line. So we are not going to be jumping forwards. We're going to be hopping backwards, okay? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 5? Oh, Miss Dalton. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, our first math problem is 3 minus 2, or 3, take away 2. So first we need to find the first number. What is our first number? It is the number 3. So let's find 3. Here we go. How many hops backwards are we going to make? 2. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. What did we land on? 1. Whew, I just threw my marker. 3 take away 2 equals 1. Don't forget to write it on your paper. 3, 2 hops backwards. That equals 1. Okay, our next one is 5. Okay, 5 take away 2 equals. All right, so we're going to start off with 5. How many hops backwards are we going to go? 2. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. What did we end on? 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Wow, you guys are really good at this. We like to do the bunny hops backwards. Okay, the next one is the money. Now remember, you don't have to do money. It is just silly and fun, but it wants you to circle the coins you need to buy the toy. The toy, the jump rope, is 51 cents. Now, 2 quarters, because they're 25 cents, equals 50. So we want to circle the 2 quarters. That's A and B. So circle the 2 quarters because that makes 50. A penny is 1. And it is, let me see if I can find it. It's an E. There we go. So A, B, and E. That makes 51 cents. Okay, here we go. The choo-choo train is 37 cents. So let's see, 25. Whoa, let's do this. Remember, the money is just fun. We don't have to do it, okay? We need to make 37 cents. 37 cents, okay? Now, a quarter, that is 25 cents. All right? We want to do a quarter because that's one of the most. There we got. Let's see, do we have a dime? We do have a dime. A dime is C. We're going to add 10 cents to it. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Did we make it yet? No, not yet. What could we add to make 35 7, 35, 36, 37. We could add 2 pennies. That would make 37. So we want to do a quarter, a dime, and 2 pennies. A quarter, a dime, and 2 pennies. Now, a quarter is A, a dime is C, and 2 pennies is E and F, okay? Now, remember, the money is just fun. We don't have to do it. We're just being silly and fun, okay? But you guys did super good. Awesome! Math time! Okay, get your packets out. We're going to minute number 23. Let's look at the days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right. Question number 1 wants us to draw a circle around the day that comes before Tuesday. What day of the week comes before Tuesday? Before Tuesday. Monday! So let's find Monday and circle Monday. All right. Draw a box around the day that comes after Thursday. After Thursday. What comes after Thursday? Friday. And we're going to put a box around it. Ta-da! Okay, let's do some math. Math. We were already doing math, Miss Dalton. Let's do some adding. That's what I meant to say. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. What is 9 plus 3? 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. 12! Good job! 9 plus 3 is 12. Let me write that down. All right, the next one, 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. What is 0 plus 2? 0 plus 2. 2. What is 1 plus nothing? 1 plus nothing. 1. Hey, they both equal 12. That was 2 different ways to find 12. Whoa. Good job. Okay, remember, telling time is super fun, and we've got to figure out where to put the hour hand. So we have our clock, and the minute hand is pointing to the 12, so that makes it o'clock, right? Well, now we've got to figure out where to put the minute hand, or the hour hand, to make it tell us what time it is. Okay, so the minute hand is already pointing to 12, and it says o'clock. We want it to say, the first one, number 5, we want it, number 5, we want it to say 6 o'clock. We want it to say 6 o'clock. So where do we need the hour hand to point? To the 6. Can you draw an arrow pointing to the 6 to make it say 6 o'clock? Good job. Okay, the next one, it wants us to do 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Where does the hour hand need to point to show 1 o'clock? needs to show 1 o'clock. Point to the 1. Good work. Wow, you guys are really good at telling time. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do subtraction with our number line. All right, so instead of doing hops forward, we're going to go backwards because we're doing subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, our first math problem is 5 minus 3. So where are we going to start our circle on? We're going to start on 5. How many hops backwards are we going to go? 3. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. What number did we land on? 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, write that down. The next thing we're going to do, our next problem is 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? Here we go. What number do we start on? We start on 4. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, let's do some hops. I'm going to do them bigger to show it. How many hop backwards are we going to go? 3. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What number did we land on? 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Good job. Okay, make sure that you do your hops on the paper and you write it down. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Okay, now this one's kind of silly because we're going to be writing some numbers. Okay. It says, write 2-digit numbers with 7 and 8. So we need to make some numbers with 7 and 8. What could we write? We could do 78. Yes! What else could we do besides 78? Let me write 78 down. 87. Yes, 87. Good job. Okay, now I want to know which number is greater, bigger. Which one is greater, 89 or 98? Ooh, that's a funny 8. Which one is greater, bigger, 89 or 98? 98 is bigger. It's greater. Fantastic. You guys did so good. Math time. Okay, get your packets out. We're going to do minute number 24. Okay. We're going to look at the months of the year. We have March, April, May, June, and July. We need to draw a circle around the month that comes before June. Comes before June. What month comes before June? May! Circle May. All right, well, what month comes after June? We're going to put a box around the month that comes after June. What comes after June? July! Very good. May, June, July. Okay, we're going to do some adding. 4 plus 5. What does 4 plus 5 equal? 4 plus 5. 9. Good job. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, here we go. This one's 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2. What do we need to do first? 4 plus 2. What's 4 plus 2? 6. What do we need to do second? The 1 plus nothing. What is that? 1. Good work. Did you guys write those answers on your papers? You did. Woohoo! Okay, now we're gonna do telling time because it's so much fun. We love telling time. Okay. The minute hand, if it is touching the 12, it says a funny word. What's that funny word? O'clock. That's right. And how do we write o'clock? 0, 0. Good. Okay, we need to see what, this is going to be a little different. Okay, so if it's touching the 12, it says o'clock. But if it is touching the whoops, that's the hour hand one. The 6, it says, does it say 6? Not when it's the minute hand. It says 30. Because when the minute hand is touching a number, we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So when the minute hand is touching the 12, it says o'clock, and it's a 0 and a 0. But when the minute hand is touching the 6, it says 30. Okay, I'm going to write down what this clock says. This clock is pointing like this. We need to figure out what time it is. Remember, when the minute hand is touching the 6, it says 30. So when the hour hand, what is it touching? It's not touching, but what is it close to? 10. So our time on the clock says 10:30. Good job. Write that down. 10:30. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one. What is it pointing to? Let me check it. What is it pointing to? What time is it now? We already know it's 30 because the minute hand is touching the 6. 4:30. Good job. Okay, we're going to do just a couple more because they're fun. So now we're going to just do some fun ones for Miss Dolan, okay? We're not writing these ones down on the paper. Okay, tell me what time it is. Ready? What time is it? 9:30. Good job. Okay. What time is it? 2:30. Whoa. Okay, I'm going to try and trick you. What time is it? 12:30. Good job. Okay, now this one's going to be super, super, super tricky. What time is it? 6:30. Good job. You guys aren't tricked. Okay, when the minute hand is touching the 12, it says o'clock. When the minute hand is touching the 6, it says 30. Whoa, you guys are so good. Okay, now let's do our number line. Subtraction. Loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, start? Where do we start? We start on 5. How many hops do we do, and where do we go? Do we go forwards or backwards? Backwards. And how many hops backwards do we go? 1. What is our answer? 4. Woohoo! Let me write that down. Okay, this one's going to be super, super crazy. Okay. Are you ready for it? 2 minus 2. Okay, where do we start? On 2. How many hops are we going to do? 2. Are we going forwards or backwards? Backwards. Here we go. Ready? 1. Oh no. It ends because look. What do I do? There's nowhere else to hop. Oh, 0. You guys. You're too smart for Miss Dalton. 2 minus 2 is 0 because 0 comes before 1. But they don't have it on our number line. So is that okay for you to write it just like I did? Absolutely. All right. You guys are so good. Okay, let's count by tens. The number 9 is pretty simple because we have our counting by 10 song, which we're so good at. But number 10 is going to be a little tricky. Okay, here we go. We've got 60. Whoa, Miss Dalton, that 60 looks crazy. We've got 60, 70. Okay, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good work. Okay, now this is where it gets tricky on number 10. Look at how it has it. It has 12, 22, a blank, 42, and a blank. Okay, we're still counting by tens, but they're putting the 2s, or a 2 at the end. So it's 12, 22, 42, kind of like we're counting up here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But we have to, the 2s at the end because we're just counting by tens on the number line. 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92, 102. Awesome! Great work. Make sure that you're writing those down on your paper just like Miss Dalton. Whoa, Miss Dalton's hands are all dirty from the board. Great work, guys. Math time. All right, get your packet out. We're at minute 25. All right, here we go. We have a calendar of April up there, and it says draw a circle around the day of the birthday party. If you look at that, which one shows, would you think that is the birthday party? And why? Which day would you think is the birthday party and why? The 4th. Yes, because they put a birthday cake up there. Very good. Okay, I'm going to just put a box around it so you can see it. But it wants to know what day of the week is day number 7. So here's day number 7 right here. What day of the week is it? Sunday. There's Sunday and there's Monday. Very good. I'm actually going to write it up on the board right here so that you guys can write it, okay? Monday. M. Remember we do capital because it's a day of the week? Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Okay? So write Monday on that line. Okay. Awesome! You guys are so good. I think I had my head in front of the word so they couldn't see it. Let me move over. There we go. Monday. Number 3, we are finding the pattern. We have a triangle, rectangle, circle. Triangle, rectangle, circle. What are the next 2 shapes? A triangle and a rectangle. Good work. Fantastic. Number 4. Square, square, triangle. Square, square. Triangle, square. Good work. You guys are so awesome. Okay, let's do some adding. Let's do 9 plus 3. What's 9 plus 3? 9 plus 3. 12! Yay! And our next one is 10 plus 4. What's 10 plus 4? 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus nothing is 1. So 10 plus 4 is 14. I'm just going to write down my answers real quick. Good work, guys. Okay, we get to go and do some fun things with our telling time. We've been doing a lot with the hour hand, putting the hour hand on. Well, today we're going to do the minute hand. Okay, the minute hand. So we have, it says, find 11 o'clock. Find 11 o'clock. And we have the hour hand already there. So we need to find 11 o'clock. Okay, what does the minute hand have to be on to make it say o'clock? Do you remember? The 12. Good job. Yes. So draw a minute hand all the way up to 12. Good work. Okay, the next one wants it to be, we're at 9:30. Where does the minute hand need to be to show 30? Do you remember? Where does the minute hand need to be to show 30? 6! Yes, that's right. I bet you guys didn't forget it all. You remembered. Good work. Okay, our last 2 problems we're going to do on the number line. We're going to do some subtraction on the number line. So let's get our subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, our first subtraction is 3 minus 2. Where do we start? On 3. How many hops are we going to do? 2. Are we hopping forwards or backwards? Backwards! Count with me. Ready? 1, 2. What number is it? 1. Good job. Okay, next one is 4 minus 2. So where do we start? We start on 4. Good work. And we're going to do how many hops? 2 hops. Forwards or backwards? Backwards. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2. What number did we land on? 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. All right. Let me hurry and write those down on my paper. Okay, there we go. You guys are so good.